Happy Sunday, guys, and good afternoon. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today I'm going to share a previous adventure that I had earlier this morning at New Bethel Baptist Church, where I served as camera operator for the 11 a.m. service once again. I'll tell you one thing, guys, when it comes to serving with New Bethel Baptist Church, it is never truly a dull moment, not a one. But rather than me just sit here and just talk about it, let me show you from earlier this morning. Okay, guys, so I just made my way here to New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I am here in the sanctuary, and as you can see from all around me, it's pretty quiet in here, pretty peaceful. Truly, as always, it is truly a blessing and of course an honor to continue on serving with New Bethel Baptist Church, as well as be a member of this church community as well. Right, so we're going to get the day started by setting up everything that we need, from the cameras, the monitors, and possibly turn on a few more lights in here. So stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright, guys, as we are continuing on with this adventure, I am currently just getting the headphones or headsets all ready. Speaking of which, I'll go ahead and get mine on as well. There we go. There we go. Right, so we're going to continue on with this adventure, guys, but stick with me and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright, guys, as we are continuing on with this adventure, as you can see from behind me, I just turned on the broadcasting system that we're going to be using for the 11 a.m. service. And next, we'll be setting up these two here cameras right behind me. Never truly a dull moment here at New Bethel Baptist Church. Not a one. So if you'll excuse me, guys, I'm going to go ahead and set up these cameras, but stick with me and see how this whole adventure continues. Okay, guys, so we are all set and ready to go for the 11 a.m. service. We got the camera, we got the lights, and as well as the monitors all set and ready to go. Gotta say, guys, when it comes to serving with New Bethel Baptist Church, there is truly never a dull moment here. I mean, besides from the events, the parties here, as well as, well, just hang out with friends. It's truly wonderful to continue on serving with this New Bethel community. Right, so we are going to see if there are any more preparations needed to be made before the service starts. But stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright, guys, we are all set and ready to go. We are about to start the 11 a.m. service. We've got the camera, we've got the lights, we've got the monitors ready to go. So if you'll excuse me, guys, we are about to get started with the 11 a.m. service. So I'll see you all afterwards. Okay, guys, so we just got finished with the 11 a.m. service. As you can see from behind me, we just turned off the broadcasting system from today's 11 a.m. service. I gotta say, when it comes to serving with New Bethel, never truly a dull moment. And as always, it is truly a blessing to continue on just standing with the New Bethel community, as well as the rest as the audio visual ministry as well. Right, so I'm about to head out, but stick with me, guys, let's see how this whole adventure goes. And once again, guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. I know I've said this a lot, guys, but it is never truly a dull moment at that church. As always, I enjoy just sharing my gifts with the rest of New Bethel Baptist Church, as well as the rest of the church community. And I'm truly honored and blessed to continue on just serving alongside the audio-visual ministry, running the cameras, and sometimes just getting things all set and ready to go. But other than that, I'm just glad to just continue being a part of, being a part of this church. And I definitely look forward to more adventures with New Bethel in the near future. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week, as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button, and we'll get started. So until next time, guys, remember, imagination, memories forever on film. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week.